Hello everyone, I'm Hemanth, and today we are diving deeper into how artificial intelligence is not just changing but revolutionizing offshore engineering. Let's start with the basics. Offshore engineering is about building and maintaining structures like oil rigs, wind farms, deep sea pipelines in some of the harshest environment on Earth. But today, we are in an era where AI isn't just a tool, it's the brain behind decisions and safety, working alongside human experts. Here is how the future is arriving right now. Machine learning and deep learning help us process massive data coming from thousands of sensors on every offshore platform. These AI models don't sleep. They track pressure, temperature, vibrations, and more every second. With this information, AI can accurately predict equipment faults days in advance, cutting down on dangerous, expensive breakdowns and making maintenance smarter and faster. What about design? AI is now used to create virtual twins, detailed digital clones of entire platforms. Engineers run simulations in these digital worlds, testing new material and configurations for strength and safety before a single piece of steel hits the sea. In operations, AI-powered robots and drones carry out risky inspections and repair underwater and in hazardous zones where no human should go. This slashes the dangers workers once faced and boosts inspection accuracy. Even marine forecasting is seeing an upgrade. AI-driven models can now predict ocean currents and weather patterns days ahead, helping crews make safer decisions and avoid costly surprises. A huge breakthrough is predictive maintenance. By analyzing years of historical equipment data and real-time sensor information, AI helps plan exactly when to repair or replace each part. This means bigger savings, fewer shutdowns, and long life for every platform. All these advances means real results. A leading oil company boosted platform uptime by just 1% and saw about $300 million more in revenue each year thanks to AI-driven monitoring. Incident rates have dropped by up to 95% at sites where visual AI detects hazards in real time and triggers instant safety actions. But it's not all smooth sailing. The biggest challenge are integrating AI with old equipment, ensuring data security, and building a skilled workforce who can work with these smart machines. So, is AI replacing human offshore? The answer is no. It's amplifying our ability to solve problems, foresee risks, and design safer systems. Engineers work with AI, making smarter choices with the best information science can offer. In short, AI is the silent guardian of the sea, keeping our platform efficient, employees safer, and operations ready for the future. Thanks for watching. This is Deep Revolution of AI in Offshore Engineering.